There's a saying in English that family comes first. This is true, but in this video series, it's 31st. This is the 31st video in the beginning series, and today we're covering names, family names, names of relatives, as we use these words in our conversations and communications every single day. Next to me is a family tree. We'll use this diagram to understand what these words and relationships mean. Ready? Let's get started. If I go too fast, pause the video so you can understand the relationship between people and associate it with the word. Ivan and Anne and their children. Ivan is Anne's husband and Karen and Jack's father. Anne is Ivan's wife and Karen and Jack's mother. Anne and Ivan are Karen and Jack's parents. Karen is Anne and Ivan's daughter. Jack is their son. Karen is Jack's sister. Jack is Karen's brother. If that is confusing, play that section again until you understand these terms. Now let's look at Henry and Diana. Henry is Karen and Jack's grandfather. Diana is their grandmother. Henry and Diana are Karen and Jack's grandparents. Now, if you're confused on how to form possessives, as in apostrophe S in Jack's, watch the previous video, which is on possessive nouns. Karen is Henry and Diana's granddaughter. Jack is their grandson. Now let's look at Amelia, George, and Mina. George is Karen and Jack's uncle. Amelia and Mina are Karen and Jack's aunts, or aunts if you prefer a British accent. Karen is Amelia, George, and Mina's niece. Jack is their nephew. Kavita and Ravi are Karen and Jack's cousins. Now, let's take a look at a few very common expressions that you hear all the time. Have you got any brothers or sisters? No, I am an only child. Do you come from a big family? Yes, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. And here are some common mistakes in English. We say my or his wife, singular, but in the plural it becomes our or their wives. Now, if this video went very quickly because a lot of terms were thrown at you in this video, watch it again until you become familiar with the various terms and family names. Thanks for watching, and share this with a friend or a relative. And see you next week for the next beginner video. Thank you.